guys, welcome back to another video. So I am here at Fontana going to check out what they have for the summer. So if you want to see what they have in store, continue to watch. Now the first thing I see that I'm going to need some of these rust florals. So these flowers, I need them because I'm going to decorate for fall again this year, and I need some of these wall arts as well. So watch my video where you're going to see me decorate for fall. So they have these in soak, they have home sweet home, they have different types and designs for like 3,800 around that price, and I love this one here. This one is beautiful. I like the colors in it. So if you're looking for wall art, come on to Fontana, check them out. They have a lot of lovely stuff. They have these decor pieces for 4,500. It's a family love sign. These can use to decorate a TV console, your entrance table. You can use on your coffee table as well. And they have vase. I won't be going over the vase in this video. I'd already show you most of the vase in my last visit, so you guys can check out that video down below. And as I'm walking this section, I saw Terry Carell's My Brand Compass. I have to purchase this book. I need it. The last time I saw her at Pegasus, I never get to buy it, and I'm surely going to get it. I think you guys need one as well. It's a lovely book if you're trying to get your brand intact. Also, these are candle stand, and they have nice candles as well. Look at this bottle. This is a nice decor piece. 3,800 roughly for this. Very lovely candles. They have other cheaper candles as well, but I'm not going over a lot of the candles. Just know that they have different design, they have candle containers as well, like this one here, around $500. You guys can come and get it here at Fontana for the summer into fall. So it's a summer fall decor video. Over this section, they also have these colors as well. As you can see, a lot of this burnt orange, rust color, the sage. Yeah, these are colors that move from summer to fall. So you guys can come and check out Fontana for that. If you're looking for picture frames, they have lovely picture frames here as well. So you have different size, different style, different color, so you can come on and check them out for that as well. And if you're shopping for back to school, they have school bags, so you guys can come and check out their back to school section. Over this side, they have some more vase and stuff, but as I mentioned, I'm not going to go over all of the vase. I'm just showing you them. I have a dedicated video where I show you a lot of vase at Fontana. These are some flowers as well from $580 up. So if you're looking for little colors in your living space or bedroom, floral is a great way to add color. So ensure you come to Fontana and check out their flower pots and florals as well. They have this dining table here, well set with their gold spoon and their plates and their wine. Wow, look on them lamp here. $26,000. Guys, these lamps are beautiful, but the price not so beautiful at all. The lamp them nice, man, but them here, guys, look at these lamps. Aren't they beautiful? I like this set as well, but not in my pocket. Cannot tell you no for shop on budget, unless if it's within your budget. On a budget, you can come and get the lamps here. They are beautiful though. Over by this section, they have some summer bags. You guys can check them out. It says TCP things, and they're like for 6,800. These trays, this one is like 18,000, but them have some other type, them really nice. You have some marble ones here. I'm going to show you in a few. This bowl here is for 1,400 roughly. Yeah, so you guys, if you're looking for decorative pieces, you can come on. Look here, Fontana have reasonable items and they have expensive items. So I would say if you're looking for nice vase and so affordable, they have a lot of that. They have some little pieces. If you're looking, you can get them on a budget. These marble trays are really nice as well. And some of the prices, I can't see. The prices are there, but honestly, when I recorded this video is now when I'm editing, I'm actually realizing that my mic never connect properly or something of that sort. So the voiceover, I'm not seeing all of the prices. I remember some of them, so that is why I'm going through and explaining to you with the price. So they have these nice pattern trays. They are lovely. They have the mirror tray as well. Trays are great for your coffee table, your TV stand, your entrance table. These are great ways you can use to decorate or just bring in little color in your space. So if you're a person that don't want to use color on your wall and you want more temporary, these are simple things you can use to add little colors for the summer. Okay, you know, summer is about all the colors and all. Over this section, they have these bowls as well. You guys, as I said, Fontana have some lovely stuff. There are some things that we can splurge on. We can't buy everything cheap. We have to have some cheap things and some expensive things so it balances out, if you understand what I mean. If you're looking for plant pots, they have some small plant pots here. Nice design. These are good for decorating your living room, or if you want to put it in your bedroom as well. So these are some plant pots that you can come on and grab. And as you can see, the same colors coming in, and these colors will also go in for the fall. Jamaicans, we don't really decorate for fall, but your girl start pick up these fall vibes. I love the fall and the maple leaf and all. Yeah, I love it, but it's a pity we don't have maple tree around me. These are some Jamaican made trays, and these the prints in them are lovely. Let me know down below what you love so far. I love these prints for the summer. These are some nice. These are some placemats as well. The set is for $6,900, and you can get them. Support your brand Jamaica. You can always use them, put them up for next year. These colors also are great for the spring as well. Everywhere I gotta keep on seeing this company, but you guys, you can support them. Their products are handmade. And you can get them, just use these to decorate your place and so. Over this section, they have more wall arts. They have like 6,800, 5,000, 1,600, different prices, and you just need to come, select the one we want, and just decorate your space with it. We can decorate our space in affordable ways. You don't have to buy the most expensive one, and if you can afford it, you can buy it as well. These are some welcome signs that you can use. I like this little sign here as well. This one is $1,500. I see something, guys, that, oh, I see something, and I'm going to show you just now. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at these wall art. Look at that lady. And the beads on it, you can feel the beads as well. This is lovely. Anybody do this? Yeah, well talented. These are lovely wall arts, guys, that you can purchase. Support your brand, support Jamaica. Guys, we just need to support. If you can buy something, it not to be too big, too expensive, just support brand Jamaica. I like to check out the toy section, but this time, because I like to get some stuff that I can DIY, but nothing is here this time. Over this section I'm heading to is some organizations, but the price them based on what I see at All That Matters, and so this is $1,000 for these trays. I think you can get them more affordable at Eva Hassan. So Fontana not gone too good with the organization prices here. Around this side they have like some closet, the fold up closets and stuff, storage organizers, and you can get pillow. The Sleepy brand pillow, guys, Sleepy Time, they have a factory on Maninzil Road. They are made in Jamaica. You guys can get different comfort level, firm and soft and medium. They have rugs, not seeing any prices on the rugs, but just still showing you because you know your girl love a rug. Rug is a great way to hide your ugly flooring, so splurge on a rug. If you want some little decorating colored sand, they have them here as well, and these are pretty affordable. $500 you can get them for. These are little stuff that you can throw into clear glass and stuff just to decorate the space and just to add some colors in the space as well. I like this sage one. Actually I did my living room makeover, which is sage as well. The video will be posted by the time this one goes up, so you guys can go and watch that video. And also they have the gold spoon in this section here that you can check out. Going back to the floral section, because I glimpsed some pampas grass that I want to show you and some other color plants, florals that we never see. So these are the colors. Please remember, if you love content like home decor, shopping videos, DIY, subscribe and you will love my next video that I'll be showing here, which is my sage or shade of green living room makeover. So if you're interested, click the link above and we are heading out now.